Hello guys, today I want to show you my current update or my current working stage on DropZone. Currently I'm working on attachment system and weapon recoil. So there are different type of recoil or styles on what the recoil behaves if you're running or jumping. If you find a regular weapon without attachment, you can just zoom in with a given ADS, and this will affect the spray pattern. So if you just shoot, you have a spray pattern like this. If you go into ADS, you have a spray pattern like this, which is better controllable. So you can just pull down the mouse. Yeah, the ADS in third person is looking like this. If you go in first person mode, you have it like this. Just it's working the same. So, and if you find an attachment or looting attachments, you can open your attachment system and put it on like so. And if you find an optics, it will give you every optic will give you a different style of ADSing. So you can see this scope will reduce the spray pattern a lot. Then you have another type of optic like this. I don't know why it's bugged now. Sometimes it's broken. You have to reattach it and it should work then, yes. I will fix it later. So if you have a scope attached and you are in the third person mode, it will automatically zoom into the scope then, which is pretty neat, I think. Okay, this is, I don't know why, but this is stupid. See the spray pattern as well, and if you zoom in, and jumping is affecting the spray as well. So if you ADSing, shooting, and if you jump, okay, it's not quite visible there, but there's a spray pattern then. There you can see. So if I'm shooting, And if I'm just it sprays. There's also the spray pattern gets also changed if you run and shoot. So let's see. This is quite centered, and if you move, it sprays a bit. So yeah, that's my attachment system. I will add a lot more later. Now I have to add more weapons. So we just have a pistol, a rifle, and rocket launcher actually, and a melee weapon. So I can show you here the pistol. It's not quite finished yet. The pistol is not finished yet, so don't worry. So we have a melee weapon. Another melee weapon. Rocket launcher. I think this should be broken, so if I shoot myself, I think. I just want to give you an idea of what's inside actually. Yeah, it does nothing, I don't know. Another thing I have another thing I have implemented is for the multiplayer stuff. So if you have a weapon and you put attachments on it, oh, why it doesn't work? If you put attachments on it, like so, and you drop the weapon, wait. Why I can't? It's bugged now. But so give you an idea. So if you build the weapon, put attachments on, and if you drop the weapon, the attachments will stay on the weapon. So another person can pick up the weapon with the attachments on. I don't know, something's broken now. Okay, anyway. So yeah, this is my actual progress on the attachment system. Of course, the game is not finished yet, but let's test something. I can show you more. We can start the game now. Just to give you an idea what's my current stage of the game. So the map is generating. every time you play the game and every time you start a new match, the map will look different, so that's pretty neat. You have to... Yeah.
Welcome to DropZone. Get yourself ready to drop into the battle.
That's my current stage on the map. As I say, it's pre-generated, so every map will look different. Different type of hills, different type of pawns. The position of the houses, everything is different. So every match will feel different. It's pretty cool.
Asteroid storm incoming. The island is collapsing soon.
Map you can do stuff like this. You can dig yourself a hole. Of course, this map has caves and tunnels, and you can find them. You have to dig inside, and you can find the holes, or you find holes inside the terrain where you can enter the tunnels. What you see here is part of the match. Asteroids are falling from the sky, destroying the island.
Asteroid storm incoming. The island is collapsing soon.
I see water. I see water. You can swim. Oh, you can swim with a weapon, nice. You can... stuff like this. Looting is also included if you find weapons.
Asteroid storm incoming. The island is collapsing soon.
Okay, yeah, that's my current stage of the game. Hope you like it and see you soon.